Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a mesh washcloth and when you're done with it, it should look something like this. And for this project, you'll need some yarn and you can use any color that you like. A 4.00 millimeter crochet hook and a pair of scissors. And the first step that you need to do is you need to make a chain. When how I like to make my chains is by putting the yarn like this. So when it's this end of the yarn that's not attached to a skein is between these two fingers right here, and then the part of the yarn that is connected to the skein and comes up is through here, like under these fingers and up above your thumb, and then you take your hook and wrap it around like this, and then yarn over and then pull it through that, and then you pull on it to make it tighter. And then we have to make a chain of 49, and in order to do a chain, you do yarn over, pull it through the loop, that's one, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. And you do that until you have 49 chains total. Alright, and after you have a chain of 49, it should look something like this. And then a little bit closer should look something like this. And the back should look like that. And then the next step that we're going to do is we are going to do a half double crochet in the third chain from the hook. And I like it to use these back loops, but if you want to use these side loops, you can. So 1, 2, 3, and then to do a half double crochet, you yarn over once, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then there should be 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and you pull through all 3 loops. Then we're going to chain 1, and then skip the next chain, and then a half double crochet in the chain after the one that just got skipped. And then so yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. And then we're going to repeat that all the way across the row. Yarn over, chain 1, skip a chain, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. Yarn, chain 1, skip 1, and then half double crochet in here. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. And then you are going to repeat that until the very last. Right. And after you got the first row done, it should look something like this. And then with the next step that we need to do, so we need to chain 1 and then turn. And then we are going to do a single crochet in the second stitch here. No, actually the first half double crochet, which is right here. Yeah, then with the single crochet, you insert your hook into the hole, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then yarn over, pull through both. Alright, and after we got the first single crochet done, we are going to do a single crochet in each of these stitches here, all the way to the end of the row. design, it should be starting to look something like this. Alright, and after that row is finished, it should look something like this. And then with the next step, we're going to repeat the first row of the half double crochet, chain one, skip a chain, and half double crochet, and then the row of single crochets until you get to your desired length as you want it to be. So basically be repeating this row, and then this row, and then this row, and then this row until your desired length. Alright, and I got the yarn hidden over here. And then we're going to take the scissors and we are going to cut as close as we can to the material without cutting the design. Okay, and then it's a little hard to see. And then this is the finished product. Alright, and then once you got the ends on there with the single crochet, it should look something like this. And then it should look something like this, sewn in. Then, for the last stitch, we are going to do a slip stitch. And then we're going to insert the hook, yarn over, and pull up a loop. And then we take this first loop right here, and we are going to pull it to this loop. Like that, and we're going to like that. And then we need a pair of scissors, and then we need to cut off the strand. Alright, and I recommend leaving like a decent amount so that way it doesn't come undone or anything. Then we're going to do the pull through like that, then pull tight like that. Alright, and then we are going to take this thing and kind of, and then like and we're going to put the strand into here, and we are going to hide it in the work that we made. Right. Then, if you want to, you can like tie a knot on it so it like stays on there, and then close it off. Alright, and once you are done with the design that you're making, it should look something like this. And then I recommend like ending on like the row to where you do half double crochet, chain one, and then half double crochet for like the last row. Alright, and then what the next step we are going to do is we are going to make a border all around the edges here using the single crochet. Alright, so we're going to be doing a single crochet in the ends here. Right, and then you keep on doing that until all of the rows have a single crochet for its border.